Are you getting game launch failed, error code 24 on Steam, and your game just won't start? Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly. First, click on the Start menu and type PowerShell. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Now, paste the command I've given in the description and press Enter. If it asks for an API key, open the website from the description, generate your API key, copy it, and paste it into PowerShell. Next, it will ask for the Steam app ID. To find it, open Steam, go to Library, right-click your game, click Properties, go to Updates section, you'll see the app ID. Enter that app ID in PowerShell and press Enter. Now it will start downloading the required files automatically. Once done, press any key to exit. After that, restart Steam and click Resume or Update. Step 3. Reinstall Steam Tools plus Millennium. If the issue still continues, open your browser and download Steam Tools from the official website. Click on Get It Now and download the setup. Then download Millennium and install it as well. First install Steam Tools, then install Millennium. After installing both, restart your PC. Now launch Steam again. Your problem should be fixed. Step 5. Clear download cache. Open Steam, click on Steam, top left. Settings, go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, confirm, and log back into Steam. Now check your library. In most cases, your games will be back. After restarting, open Steam and your library should be restored. If the problem still continues, the next step is to update Steam. Open your web browser and go to the official Steam website. Click on Install Steam to download the latest version. Once downloaded, run the installer. This will automatically update your Steam client. After updating, launch Steam again and try to start your game. After this step, restart your PC. This step is very important, so do not skip it. Once your system restarts, open Steam again and try launching your game. By following these steps, your Steam error code 24 should be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.